Welcome to Zion Creations. Zion Creations presents you the Mysterious Truth of Eucharist, part 1. Today we are discussing about the miracle which took place in Tixla, a town in Mexico. In October 21, 2006, a church in the diocese of Chilpancingo, Chilapa, Mexico was celebrating Mass during an annual parish retreat. During the Mass, as the two parish priests and a religious sister were distributing Holy Communion to the faithful, the sister turned to the priest celebrant with tears in her eyes and showed him that one of the hosts in a ciborium had begun to emit a reddish substance. Filled with amazement and unsure what to make of the host, the priest informed the bishop. Bishop Alejo Zavala Castro formed a theological commission to investigate the phenomenon and to determine whether the host was supernatural or simply a hoax of some kind. Dr. Ricardo Castellan Gomez, who had also investigated the Buenos Aires miracle of 1996, led a team of scientists in an intensive study of the host between 2009 and 2012. The study reported the following findings. The reddish substance was blood because it consisted of hemoglobin and DNA of human origin. The blood type was found to be AB, which corresponds to the miracles at Buenos Aires and Lanciano, as well as the traces found on the showers of Turin. Forensic experts found that the substance originates from the interior of the host, which would seem to discount the theory that it was somehow planted from outside. The following graphs shows how the blood flowed from the host from the interior towards the exterior, as it occurs with the womb. Part of the blood was found to have been coagulated since 2006, but further examination shows that the presence of fresh blood from 2010. The blood contains intact white blood cells, red blood cells, and active macrophages. The tissue seems to correspond to the muscle of the heart, the myocardium, as found in other Eucharistic miracles. Further, this was found to be living cardiac muscle. Normally, after 48 hours, the tissue dies, but this case, 3 months had passed, but still the tissue is alive. Finally, the study concluded that the event has no natural.
After the death of Jesus, the two disciples of Jesus were traveling to Emmaus. Jesus traveled with them too, but they didn't recognize him. But when he took bread, gave thanks, broke it, and began to give it to them, their eyes were opened, and they recognized him. Similarly, when we receive the Eucharist, we have to feel the real presence of Jesus in it. Thank you.